That was sweet. Don't have good audio, so you're gonna have to bear with me until I figure out my camera issues. Yesterday was test and tune. We did 3 passes. I did probably my biggest wheelie in my 3rd pass, which you'll see in the video. I've probably already had it in here. We're out right now. It's about, I don't know, getting close to 10 o'clock in the morning. I've got to preheat the car, get it up to temp, cool it back down so the engine block's got some heat in it for this day of racing. We got 2 time trials, and then we're going to go right into, I think it's heads up racing. So just stay tuned and get to watch us do some wheelies. Alright, we just went up 2 PSI. I was running 14, went up to 16 because that's what it ran its best at Norwalk. So we're going to give it a shot today. It's a little bit cooler out, so if we slip, we'll just air back down.
We need some John Travolta music now. Like field sex, like field look sex. You're brutal, honest. You're brutal, man. Hey.
There's like 40-some gassers here today. We're like 6 cars back right now, and we're gonna see what we can do today. Dylan, you setting this up so you can beat me?
Yes, sir.
Ah, shit.
Hey, sorry, but you're gonna get gap ties by the rock crew.
And today we did our 2 time trial runs, which was basically just like practice and stuff. We rode 1150 out the window. I'm gonna try and do a good wheelie, like always. And run 1150 and knock Rotten Orange out. But it's gonna be quite a challenge. He's been racing for a long time, and he's got a car that's running 9.0. So they got the tree retarded. I'm gonna leave 2.5 seconds before him, and hopefully he don't run me down, and we run an 11.5 and run on to the next round. Rock. He beat me, but that's racing. I caught a super good pass there. I didn't have a real good reaction time. I think that's where he got me. He ran a 9.2. His dial-in was 9 flat, and I ran an 11.53. So I was right on the money, but he beat me across the line, and he didn't break out. So that made him the winner. It was super tight race, super fun. He's an awesome dude. Got an awesome Nova. Can't wait to see what tomorrow brings. We're gonna do some sort of like bracket racing, so stay tuned and we'll get to that tomorrow. Alright, it's Sunday morning. We did test and tune Friday. We did our racing with the Great Lake Gassers on Saturday. And today is Sunday. We just signed up for the no box class. That's just no delay boxes. I haven't ever raced 8th mile, but that's what we're running, and on a sportsman tree. So I went up, did my first pass, did a big wheelie. All my relays flew off because we just have them zip tied in there, so I zip tied them back. We'll fix that this winter when we're not racing. It works for now, but we're running one more time trial. I'm gonna see what we do in an 8th, and then we'll write it on the window and see if we can go rounds today. All right, it's raining here in Milan, Michigan, so that's going to put a wrap on the day. They canceled the races. We did 2 time trials this morning, running a sportsman tree instead of the pro tree like for the gasser event yesterday. So it was a little different. I haven't ran a sportsman tree in a while, so it was nice to have a little bit more time on the line. We ran 8th mile as well, so I wrote 7.3 on the window. I ran a 7.324, I believe, and that made me win the first round. Then it started downpouring, and it's just later in the day, so they went ahead and canceled it. They did payouts, so I won $75 for winning first round. So we're heading home with a win.